Thank you for joining me today. We are here at 3848 Evelynton Avenue in Lewis Center. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with over 2,000 square feet of fine living. It is wall-to-wall carpeting. As we get to the top of the steps, our first room here to the left is an office. Has a beautiful view of the pond. Vaulted ceilings. As we make our way past the steps and down the hall, the first room on our right is the first bedroom. This room has a ceiling fan. You also have a wonderful view of the pond. Wall-to-wall carpeting. Nice size walk-in closet. As we come back out of the first bedroom and down the hall, to our right is the second bedroom, which also has a ceiling fan. Has a TV nook area. You can schedule a tour with us today by calling us at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. As we come out of the second bedroom and down the hall, as you can see, we are going straight into the laundry room, which does come with front load washer and dryer. The closet here is the utility closet with the furnace and hot water tank. Outside the laundry room is the first full bath. Ceramic tiling, wood vanity. As we make our way through the condo, we do come into an entryway and then into the living room, which has high vaulted ceilings with ceiling fan. And again, you can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. As we make our way into the master bathroom, we have a ceiling fan. The master bathroom does have an ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. It does come with 2 closets. The first closet here is on the right. Nice, large, deep closet. It does offer dual sinks. Our door here in front of us is the second closet. It also has a stand-up shower and separate room for privacy during those bathroom times. So we make our way back through the master bedroom and into the living room. It does have a private balcony. Great for entertaining, relaxing after a long day of work, right outside the pond, which is full of ducks during the warmer weather season. Just off of the living room is the dining area and kitchen. The kitchen does come with stainless steel appliances, laminate countertops, ceramic tiling. Appliances are included: refrigerator, microwave, stove, and dishwasher. We also have a nice sized pantry, great for plenty of storage. This unit does also come with a 2-car garage as we make our way back through. And again, you can schedule a tour with us today by calling 614-505-6212 or visiting us at our website at www.propertymanagementpros.com. Again, 2-car garage. We thank you for taking this tour with us today at Columbus Property Management Pros. We look forward to hearing from you soon.